at Gare de l'Est. This is our train to Strasbourg, departing 10 hours 08 or 10:08 a.m. Gonna look for the place to wait since it's very cold. I just learned that if you have a Navigo weekly pass, you can get a free entrance to the toilets. Good thing I asked. So we're looking for a platform number. So it seems that platform number would be on the rightmost column. So in our case, there's still no platform for Strasbourg. But for Berlin, there's already a platform number 29. So I guess we just have to wait until the screen updates. We have just arrived here at Strasbourg. It's currently 11:48 a.m. So once we get off the station, we're gonna buy a 3-day tram pass and have lunch, and then drop our luggage at the luggage storage center. I was asleep the whole trip, and Maurice just watching.
Touching.
We're going to take the elevator to go downstairs, and this is the line. It's quite long. No choice. Of course, the other choice is to carry it by hand downstairs, which would be very difficult. So we have 2 big bags. So this is how you buy tickets in Strasbourg. First, use this knob to, like a mouse, purchase. And then you pay. Now having lunch here at Burger King. Burger's very good. The onions are very tasty. And also a lot. Fries and orange juice. All in all, it cost us €9.60. So I took a half from Marisa's burger. Hopefully it's enough for her. We just left our luggage here at the Graffelgar Hotel. So we use pounds to book this luggage storage space. So in case you want a €5 discount, you can use this code that I'm putting here. So we're gonna go to the Petite France as our next stop. That's our first stop actually for tour in Strasbourg. Dalmatian bird. We went to the wrong side. We need to get to the other side. So we just hopped off at Langstrasse Grand Rue station, and we're now walking our way to Petite France. Not sure if we're walking the right way, since there's no really one way to go to Petite France, as it is a quite big district or area. we're currently looking for a toilet here, and we noticed that there's not much signs pointing to toilets, so we just use Google Maps currently to look for a toilet. Hopefully there's one. So we found one toilet over here, just near Hotel Delsace. Delsace. Supposed to be here. Toilet rating.
4
Same here because there's no hot water, but it's very clean.
Not stinky.
Approved. So we're now going back to the tram, and from the tram we're going to have a side trip to Kehl, Germany. Just a look around at what we can see there, and it'll be Marissa's first time to step on German land. We are now on our way to Germany. So here we're taking this tram D, and this is stop at the Kehl City Hall or Kehl Rathaus Station. So yeah, we'll see if there's some restaurants open, because today is January the 1st. We forgot to tell you that. So most of the stores would be closed. Let's see, if not, we're gonna go back. Just like that, we're now back here at France, just after a 20-minute tram ride. And we're back at Burger King, because we're very hungry already. So after this, we're gonna go and take our luggage, and then go to our Airbnb. So we got this kitty meal, which has iced tea, fries, burger,
and
Naruto course. How much?
5.50
€5.50. And then we also got this wrap. How much is for the wrap? How much is the wrap?
6.70.
€6.70. Not bad. Happy kid here. Happy kid.
It tastes like soda.
Soda. We have now arrived here at the Airbnb, and this is our room. So let's take a quick tour of the room. So here you have I think a queen size bed. Here you have a one-piece sofa with center table. They also have a heater. Oh, television. And then if you go straight here, a very big cabinet. And then the toilet. Very nice toilet. Ah. I hope the hot water would be enough for us. Here they have a very big shower as well. Okay, with this we're gonna end our vlog today. Has been a tiring day because we went to more than 2 countries. More than 1 country. So goodbye guys, And I hope I get well tomorrow. Cheers.